Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all to Medina Book 3. Inshallah, we'll have our class 8 today. So, going to our lesson number 1, we are still doing our lesson number 1. We're trying to understand what is al-ma'rab wal-bina. So, what are the signs where we can recognize a noun is marfu, mansub, majroor, and what are the nouns which don't change the sign but we still will be able to recognize them. What position do they hold in a sentence, so we can have our understanding very clear. So al alamatu, what we have done so far is al alamatu asliyatu. So we know what is alamatu, the original sign, asliyatu, wal far'iyatu, the secondary signs, wal zahiratu, those we can see with our eyes, and wal muqaddaratu, those we can't see but our mind knows that the sign exists there. So going through the examples now and trying to get more practice of it. So al marfu, so if you see hadara al abna'u, hadara is he attended, so who attended? Al abna'u, so abna'u is the dhamma is the sign of marfu. So how do we say? Fa'ilun marfu'un alamatu raf'ihi ad-dammatu zahiratu wal banatu. So wal banatu, again it is fa'ilun marfu'un, waw is ataf mawtufun ala al-abna'u, and marfu'un alamatu raf'ihi ad-dammatu zahiratu. So now comes to our far'iyatu, wal walidani, wal walidani. So walidani means the parents, two parents. So how do you describe this? Is fa'ilun marfu'un alamatu raf'ihi al-alifu. Why it is alif? Because لأنه مثنى, because it is مثنى, it's a dual noun, so we have alif as a sign of marfu. Wal aqrabuna, so al aqrabuna, the close relatives. So aqrabuna, how do you know it is marfu? It's fa'ilun marfu'un alamatu raf'ihi al-waw. Why? لأنه جمع مذكر سالم, لأنه جمع مذكر سالم. And وإبراهيم, وإبراهيم, again here it is a alamatu asliyatu, dammatu. وأخوه, أخو is your fa'ilum marfu'un alamatu raf'ihi al-waw. Why waw here? Because لأنه من الأسماء الخمسة, so from five special noun. وهو مضاف, and who is your مضاف إليه. And وصديقي, so صديقي is your manqus noun, you can say. So here again alamat here is even though it is a kasra, we will still say it's a muqaddara because of ya, we have kasra here, or some scholars say it is zahira, so we don't dispute, so we know that this is marfu, sadiqi. Wal muhami, there shouldn't be fatha here, there's a typo error here, so it is because it's marfu, there is nothing, it's a sukun there, so al muhami, that's it, there is no ya, so that's the typo there. And wal mustafa, mustafa is your maqsoor noun, so where the alif maqsoora, so it doesn't have any dhamma. How do we describe this? Fa'ilum marfu'um alamatu raf'ihi dammatul muqaddara, so we know this is a muqaddara. So that's now we go to mansub nouns and see how the mansubs are formed. Da'awtu, so I invited. Who did you invite? Al abna'a, again al abna, I invited the sons. Wal banati, so abna'a is your alamatu nasbihi al fathat zahira, the asli sign. Wal banati, so banati we know here maf'ulun bihi mansubun alamatu nasbihi al kasratu. Why kasra? لأنه جمع مؤنث سالم, because it is جمع مؤنث سالم, we have kasra as a sign of mansub, not fatha. Wal walidaini, so walidaini, how do you describe? Maf'ulun bihi mansubun alamatu nasbihi al ya'u li'annahu muthanna. Wal aqrabina, see walidaini and wal aqrabina, so aqrabina is again maf'ulun bihi mansubun alamatu nasbihi al ya'u لأنه جمع مذكر سالم. So once we know these terminologies, once we know what each word represents, it'll be very easy to understand. وإبراهيم. So again, Ibrahim is a mamnu' min al-sarf, which is a dip tone. So in marfu and mansub, there's no changes. So it still say it is maf'ulun bihi mansubun alamatu nasbihi al-fathatu zahira wa akhahu. So now we know why it is akha. So akha is a maf'ulun bihi mansubun alamatu nasbihi al-alifu. Why it is alif? لأنه من الأسماء الخمسة, from 5 special noun. وصديقه. So again, صديقي, again it is alamatu is far'iyya. So how do you describe the صديقي? Is مفعول به منصوب علامة نصبه الفتحة مقدرة على. So where is that fatha? The fatha was there, but because ya came, it turned into kasra. So how do we describe it? Al-fathatu ala ma qabla ya'i mutakallam. So upon which it was there before the coming of the ya. So once the ya came, it changed into kasra. So al-muhamiya. See, the muhamiya. So by mistake, it went into marfu state at the top. So so we need to understand what is manqus noun. So only when it becomes mansoob, the ya comes visible and the fatha is also becomes visible. Whereas in marfu, the ya can be visible, but the sign